Salvador Dali. Salvador Dali, man. What Salvador Dali did was something called the juxtaposition of incongruity. The merging of the incompatible, taking two things that are mutually exclusive, placing them side by side and find a single common denominator they share. And what Salvador Dali did was he juxtaposed the subconscious with the dream state. This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there is a disparity between two objects. There's no commonality. It's like a bicycle and a milkshake. Just two contrasting images that somehow this artist's creativity allowed him to juxtapose these two disparate objects in a cohesive kind of way. It's cohesive juxtaposition. That's why I find surrealism to be a whole different, fascinating phenomenon in art, because it's a lot of juxtaposition. You see that juxtaposition pervasive in comedy. Mitch Hedberg. I like to throw out Mitch Hedberg, the surrealistic comedian. He said he threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." That's surrealistic absurdity, absurd surrealism. So it's absurd surrealism now. Absurd surrealism is where the surrealism